A lot of you that are golden children are star seeds, and uh, you a lot of the times you feel outcasted. Um, and the reason why this is because this happened to me as well when I got into you know forbidden knowledge and lost wisdom and exposing the truth and getting to the bottom of conspiracies and being referred to as a truth seeker or a conspiracy theorist. uh, that just by being that type of person outcasted me from a lot of social groups, and um, it also left me, yeah, like I don't like ostracized. I think I said what the word was, which I believe means left out, outcasted, alone, uh, the oddball out, whatever you want to break it down to. But yeah, it's that often happens to these beings because we're vibrating at such a high frequency that the rest of people aren't on that frequency, and so they can't relate to you. And another thing is like uh, birds of a feather flock together, but eagles soar alone. And so that's my analogy of the situation.